Hello everyone, welcome to It's Early Mention channel. So today we are going to see a compare and contrast between the female complaints, the two predominant females in homeopathic materia medica, that is Pulsatilla and Platina. So most you will see Pulsatilla as well as Platina patient a lot in your practice. So let's begin with the compare and contrast. The common name of Pulsatilla is windflower or anemone. Platina, it is a metal, it's a platinum. Pulsatilla, it is from the family Ranunculaceae. The sphere of action of Pulsatilla is usually in serous membranes, gastric troubles, even in female reproductive systems, mucous membranes. As well as Platina, it is widely used for female reproductive systems, mucous membranes, digestive troubles, as well as it has a great affection over nervous system. So let's begin with Pulsatilla. Constitution of Pulsatilla female. Females who are fair and beautiful looking but inclined to be fleshy. Nowadays, you may not see such kind of females who are very fair in our Indian tone. They may be whitish and somewhere they may be dark also. Anemic, chlorotic with pale face at puberty. Temperament. This Pulsatilla patient is very inclined to weeping disposition. She may cry at any occasion, even in happy or even in sad. She may cry very easily. Now, whereas Platina patient, woman of dark hair, dark complexion, having rigid muscular fibers. Same as in Indian tone, many women may be fair also with the Platina remedy. Hysterical and sanguine temperament. Now, ailments and causation of Pulsatilla: getting feet wet, eating fatty and starchy food, and uterine troubles. Platina from fear, fright, vexation, onanism, pride, sexual excess, and masturbation. So these three things, that is onanism, sexual excess, and masturbation, as a causation or causative action over female reproductive systems in Platina patient. It has a great affection over nervous system. So let's see. Now, Pulsatilla, it is indicated complaints at the time of puberty. Pulsatilla patient says she is never well from puberty or from the menses. Delayed menses you may treat with the help of Pulsatilla. In Platina, it is indicated for Menorrhagia, and also other menstrual disorders. Now, characteristics of Pulsatilla. Character, as we are going to see about the female reproductive system, so yeah, we are going to see only symptoms which are related to female part. So, character of menses in Pulsatilla. The flow is thick and changeability in nature, that is changeable in character. It may be thin, it may be thick. Blood flows, stops, and flows again. Painful menses or dysmenorrhea can be treated with the help of Pulsatilla. Threatened abortion. Flow ceases and then returns with increased force. Excite suffocation and fainting. Must have fresh air. Now, in Pulsatilla, leucorrhea is seen, which is milky white with swollen vulva. This swollen vulva you may only see while doing female part examination. Acrid, burning, and painless or with cutting pain in abdomen. Now let's see about Platina. Character of menses in Platina, it is dark, clotted, flows offensive. Menses too early and too profuse and too long lasting with bearing down spasms. Too early means the menses may be polymenorrhea, coming in 15 or 20 or 25 days, not lasting, coming monthly, thrice, twice, and too profuse. Lots of clots, lots of bleeding would be happening. Too long lasting with bearing down spasms. Now, sexual organs exceedingly sensitive, as we have seen in causation that it has a great marked affection over nervous system. So sexual organs are exceedingly sensitive. The patient, that is the Platina patient, cannot bear the napkin touch to her. Even that thing is so much painful. Even the pad is also painful. Even will go into spasm from an examination. There is marked nymphomania in Platina, which is aggravated in lying in women. There is severe vaginismus. You can treat vaginismus with the help of Platina. There is vaginismus, spasms, and constrictions. There is severe dyspareunia during intercourse, that is painful intercourse. Now let's see the mind symptoms of these two leading females. Pulsatilla mind having a changeability nature, changeability character, weeping disposition. Consolation gives comfort and relief. Whereas Platina has a superiority complex. Superiority in both mental as well as physical. Mental delusion, as if everyone and everything is inferior to herself and smaller than her. Now, modalities. All the complaints of Pulsatilla are aggravated by warm air, warm room, warmth of bed, eat in the evening, and ameliorated by cold hair, erect position, cold application, cold food, as Pulsatilla belongs to a hot patient also. Platina, whereas all complaints are aggravated by sitting, standing, and in the evening, and ameliorated by walking in the open air. So here we have completed the two leading females in homeopathic materia medica female complaints, that is compare and contrast. Hope so you have understood this topic. Thank you for watching.